Oh! Oh, God. Ellie, guess what? Your rain dance paid off. I need some rain. Do a rain dance. Do a rain dance, Ellie. I need some rain. What do you think? You did so good. Did a good rain dance. Thanks, little Soaky. A little bit Soaky. This is your first rain ever for you guys. Rain changes the whole deal, doesn't it, boys and girls? So nice. So yeah, that's gonna be cool. Hey Hank, you're wet. I don't want to touch you too much. You're wet, buddy. What do you guys think of your first rain, huh? Pretty fun? Yeah? Everybody's having a good day, aren't ya? Nice and cool. What do you think, Sam? Hank, why are you following me so close? What's that all about? You feeling some oats again? Now that it's cooled down finally? What's Sam doing? He's doing a little dance over there. We got bugs again. Get those bugs. Still not big enough, Hank. I mean, Sam. Still not big enough. Yeah, there's a bunch of bugs flying around here. I don't know where they came from in 5 seconds of rain, but they're trying to catch them. What are those kids doing, Hank? What are those kids doing? Oh! Oh, God! That was an illegal block there, I think. That wasn't good. You guys okay? Okay, Sam. That's frightening. You okay, buddy? That was definitely illegal blocking. You can't sweep the legs there, Jack. You okay, buddy? What's that right there? Oh, it's just... Yeah, you're alright. Go! Don't go back to your buddy stage, Hank.